What are we doing? We're gonna go find your Halloween costume.
Oh no!
Let's go. And in we go. Ooh, bear. Step here.
It jumps out and I drop your baby.
No, it just turns. No? Not interested?
Oh jeez, you scared me.
It scared you. That's the face I get?
I hate clowns.
You there!
Nope.
Do you want to play a game? If I catch you, then I get to eat you. Gotcha! Oh, I missed. Ah, well, I'll just have to catch the next one then.
Oh, he's caught up in the cobwebs. No reactions. You're not scared of them, are you, Bear? She's not scared. Oh, you can walk through. Oh. It's Bear when she's hungry. What's Mama doing to you? What's she doing to you? Oh, there's your typical Stranger Things stuff. Eleven's doll mask. Oh, I got some Freddy. This is neat. You want to be Freddy Bear? No? Maybe? Oh, we got Hocus Pocus. Some just pumpkins. Is it gonna stay on?
She leaves it.
Oh.
She's like,
What are you doing with that hat? What are you doing with that hat?
this hat on. Put it on. Put it on, man. On that.
Nope, no hat.
Okay.
Got Rob Zombie's Halloween. That's what they went with. All right. Some little masks. Chucky. Edward Scissorhands. For his face. And the weird foam Jason masks. Like pancakes. Oh, there's a better one. $40. At least it's solid. The skeletons.
Chucky is not it.
Nope, not Chucky. Okay. I mean, you could dress her up as a little good guy. Uh-oh, we got clown stuff. Oh, we could dress you up as a little Sam. Look at this. This is too big for her. A treat bag though. And the lollipop. Jeff the Killer, really. Mechanic jumpsuits. Where's all the stuff? It looks like Legion. No, that's a creepypasta. Yeah, like stories people write online. It became like a whole thing. Venom randomly in here. Oh, yeah, Harry Potter stuff. Nightmare Before Christmas. Hockey stick. Kitchen knife, bloody knife, machete, horns. What are you gonna be, kid? What are you gonna be for Halloween? Nope. No mask. I'm gonna put a mask on her anyways. If we do anything, we're painting that face. We're gonna paint that face.
Yeah, you don't want to hide that face.
There. That head's too big. That head's too big. You're holding it down. Do you like that one? Look at all these hats. All these masks.
What's this one?
It's too big. They're all too big for you. What do you see, Bear? Need something that stands out to her. What is this here? Let's go in. Ooh, danger. Do not feed, tease, or tap on the glass. Nothing.
Supposed to jump in.
That's what I'm thinking. What is... Are we supposed to tap on the glass? I don't think so. I'm guessing they're just screens. Oh, it's a shark.
Glass over here.
Teddy. Uh-oh. The great white shark. What's it supposed to do? There's a motion sensor up here, so I'm thinking that has something to do with it.
He came out.
Oh, there he is. Is that it? He just swims by the screen? Oh, somebody got eaten over here.
Oh, that puffer fish just blew up.
Oh, is that what happened? I'm not getting any of the good stuff. I don't know. What do you see, Bear? Did we go on the wrong side? We're supposed to come on this side. Hey, you better run. Oh, is that shark gonna get you, Bear? Yeah, I don't think you actually touch the screens. So it's just more of the videos that they used to always do. Oh, okay. Out the other side. Oh, and he hit the screen. Out the other side. Whoa. Hey, look, it's Bear. Little tears. Do you think if we sat her here, anybody would notice?
First and cheapest and get the phone with the tax and phone before you
Bear.
Sees the screen.
Oh, you see the screen over there.
To create lifelike cuts in the skin and to
That teaches you how to actually
carefully pulling as a liquid latex. Then apply your
Do some
shade
stuff with
foundation
latex.
with foam latex.
Nifty.
Taking the Hollow Maker palette and using the black tip. Then using a wood color highlighter, pencil the base layer. Then back in with the black.
Let's keep moving.
That's creepy.
All he does is laugh.
I guess.
What's the next one do?
People think we want to be like them, but pretty soon they'll all be like us.
Are they backwards? Step on the next one. I don't think any of them are gonna pop at you. They'll do anything? Alright, try the next one.
You seem to have misplaced our mother's
So wait, two of them are connected to the same one?
Help us find it?
Alright, we'll try the last one,
Maybe
I
he
guess.
doesn't do anything.
Maybe. Is that what Daddy does? Make goofy faces at you. Katie over here trying to traumatize our child. Here, go to the nice green zappy man. Hey, Bear. What are you doing? Are you a little unicorn? Are you a little unicorn? Oh. She doesn't want to be a little unicorn? Okay. How about a little kitty?
I don't know if I can do that.
Oh, look at the little kitty. Bear. Oh, no? Not a little kitty? Okay. Alright, now back up to the infant and toddler section. Let's see what stands out to her that she might want to dress up as. Vampirina? Never heard of it.
Neither have I.
We got Legos, Dora, turtles, cars, truck ride along and driver costume. If you want to be a garbage man, sure. I think it's all based off of that kid video that went viral. Got Toy Story. Oh, Baby Shark. It's a kind of a small section, isn't it?
Yeah. It's not much.
Unless it's just here.
No,
Yeah,
here.
little Yoda costume.
I don't see her there. Make her a little chicken.
A little chicken. There's a monkey, a lion. Is that a dinosaur?
Yeah.
Another dinosaur?
Was it a dinosaur?
I don't know.
Or was it a turtle?
What's this? Unicorn. Is that a flamingo?
Is it?
Is that supposed to be a flamingo?
Yeah.
It's a flamingo. Bear, do you want to be a flamingo? That'd make mommy happy. What are these all behind you?
I don't like it.
There's no bear over here? What's in the bottom right down there?
A bear!
Is there a bear? A bear costume?
Cuddly bear.
A cuddly bear? Is that you? Is that your Halloween costume, Bear? Thing is, I don't think she likes it. She wants anything on her head.
No.
So we'd have to figure that out.
They all have something on their head.
Little purple monster.
It might be different if it's like a hat. I mean, like a
A hood?
a hood.
Maybe.
I think the elephant's cute.
The elephant. Which one, Bear? Not the bear? Could be something scary. I was a little lion when I was your age. She's looking at something. Are you looking at the mini monster? I think she's looking at the mini monster. Yeah, she was. Is that what you want to be? The mini monster? Yeah? I don't know. Pinky Winky? Tiger? Let's see, what else do we have? Honey.
I know, I saw that.
That goes back to our first video. That's the weirdest hood though.
No.
I don't know if I'd do that to her. We just would use the hood. We just
Special O'Hara.
Yep. Anything else? Getting older. This is about it. Just this row here. Our little Wonder Woman.
Do you want to be Scary Bear?
Monster Boo! She's not telling us anything. What do you want to be, honey? What do you want to be? Okay.
Piggly Wiggly?
Oh, she jumped. Oh, bear.
That's Spider gift you.
No. She's getting sleepy. All right. Oh, we didn't really see too much. We got ideas. We're gonna look online, see if there's anything else that we can come up with. Katie kind of wants to do more of a homemade situation. She's talking maybe
I'm running out of time.
a little mummy, like we do the Brendan Fraser mummy movies. I just look like Brendan Fraser current, not then, if we did that. But we'll see. Either or, keep an eye out. We'll want to take her somewhere, a little trick-or-treating, a little something. Oh, there goes another baby. The storm's a brewing. So we're heading out a Spirit. Where is it? Over there. It's kind of small this year, at least that one was.
Yeah.
But it was in Toys R Us last year, which was over there, which is obviously bigger. No, it was, I mean, it's a Spirit. They're always a mess. Either or, thanks for coming hunting some Halloween stuff with the bear. But she's sleepy, so a little nap time. And we'll see you next time on Travels with Doogie. Happy Halloween!